Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Sprout Social and preserve LinkedIn engagement history, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Sprout Social and preserve your LinkedIn engagement history, start by logging into your Sprout Social account. Navigate to the Settings section in the main menu. Locate the Integrations tab within the Settings menu. Click on LinkedIn to view your connected accounts. Take note of your LinkedIn engagement metrics and any specific data you wish to preserve. Export this data by using Sprout Social's export feature. Select the relevant report or data type you want to download. Complete the export process and save the file to your device. Once you have secured your data, proceed to uninstalling Sprout Social. If you are using a desktop application, close the app completely. Then, go to the control panel on your computer. Select Programs and then uninstall a program. Find Sprout Social in the list of installed applications. Click on it and then select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. If you are using Sprout Social via a web browser, simply log out of your account. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any lingering data. Finally, ensure your LinkedIn engagement history is intact by checking your LinkedIn profile. Your engagement history should remain safe, as you have taken the necessary steps to preserve your data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.